If you've ever wondered, no matter what you do, your home always seems cluttered and messy, you are in the right place. Today, I'm uncovering the 3 sneaky habits that are secretly sabotaging your efforts to maintain a tidy space. Confront these 3 habits, maybe have a little boxing match with them, and you will never freak out at unexpected visitors. Let's jump into number 1. Trying to clean when we have too much stuff is almost impossible. Cleaning typically involves working around items instead of actually picking them up to clean under them. Take our kitchen counters. A clutter-free counter requires less than 60 seconds of your time to clean. A little multi-purpose cleaner, a quick microfiber wipe, and you are done. Now, what happens if we have a ton of stuff sitting on our counters? Chances are you rarely pick up the items and clean under them, which isn't really effective cleaning. Trust me, I have been there. If you do remove the items, how long does that actually take? This requires taking everything off, cleaning it, and then placing all the items back. That sounds like a lot of work. And I will be the first to admit that I used to have a ton of kitchen countertop clutter. And I always said,
I have no choice. My kitchen is just way too small.
What I should have been asking myself is, do I actually need these items? Do I need the bullet that was a gift for Christmas that I never used? The same can be said for other areas of our home. The closet that is full of stuff we don't wear. The bedroom that has a ton of things under the bed, boxes in the corner, and laundry piling up on the floor. The bathroom sink that has too many hair and makeup products on it, and some of them are empty bottles or expired or, quite frankly, unwanted. Trying to be clean and tidy while still holding on to a ton of clutter is nearly impossible. Cleaning is strictly superficial without actually addressing the real problem, which is declutter first. Having too much clutter is one of the biggest culprits contributing to our homes being messy. If you're looking to declutter your home once and for all, join our Decluttering membership for accountability, support, and motivation. I'll leave more details in the description. On to reason number 2. Our homes require daily love and attention. Yet some of us wait until spring cleaning to thoroughly clean them. Ever since I decluttered my home and created a daily, weekly, and monthly cleaning schedule, I actually don't partake in the madness of spring cleaning. My curtains are cleaned seasonally, the baseboards as well. Floors are washed weekly, surfaces the same. My bathroom and kitchen get daily cleaning attention. Procrastinating daily chores is keeping our homes messy. Vacuuming the rug once or twice a week, which can take 10 minutes, if left untreated, requires washing, disinfecting, and sometimes throwing it out altogether if left untouched for months. I know it's easy to say,
Oh, I'll just do it later.
but the postponed tasks add up. Creating a weekly cleaning to-do list will maintain your home's cleanliness. And here's a sneak peek into my cleaning routine. Monday, no chores. I only tidy up at the end of the day. Tuesday, laundry and washing the bathroom. Wednesday, I vacuum my entire home. Thursday, I clean surfaces, dust, and water my plants. Friday, no chores. I only tidy up. Saturday, I vacuum and wash floors. Now you might be wondering, ooh, why is she vacuuming so much? And it's because I have a dog and a daughter, and I probably should be vacuuming 5 times a week, which honestly I sometimes do. Sunday, no chores, tidying up only. Daily, I wash dishes, I take out the trash, I wipe the kitchen table and countertops, I wipe the bathroom sink and toilet. I have a bathroom obsession, don't judge me. Then I fix couch pillows and throw blankets, and I put away my dog's and my daughter's toys. Creating a cleaning to-do list and making it work for you and your family will keep your home in order and you feeling at peace in a clean space. If you're getting value from my video, contribute to my coffee addiction by smashing that like button. And please grab my free cleaning checklist. It includes what to clean daily, weekly, and monthly, and allows you the ability to customize items for yourselves as well. You can find a link to it in the description. Third habit, keeping our homes messy. If you want to avoid a messy, cluttered home, the rule is that more items should actually exit your home than make its way into it. Impulse shopping and shopping without a plan can quickly bring a ton of stuff into our homes that we don't necessarily want or need. In fact, this is one of the biggest contributors of clutter. Most of my clients are able to declutter their home successfully, but it's the ones that change their shopping habits that achieve a clutter-free life. There are simple things we can do to combat impulse buys, and my favorite and the one that I use all the time is if it's not on the list, it does not get bought. Yep, I don't leave the house without a shopping list because it can be too tempting to get enticed by a sale at Target or HomeGoods. Now, of course, there are times we see an item and it calls to us. For me, it used to be coffee mugs. Those babies got me every time. If you encounter an item that you really want, leave it. If you still want it the next day and truly feel that your home will improve because of it, and by improve, it can also just mean that it makes you happy, then go out and buy it. Most items are merely shiny objects that bring us short-term joy. Come a week later, we may even experience guilt over spending the money on it. If you are more of the Amazon shopping kind, add to cart and don't buy. Sometimes the act of browsing and looking at items without ever buying them is enough. Shopping with intention is one of the best ways to keep our homes clean, clutter-free, and tidy. Remember that creating a clutter-free home is about adopting good habits. For a list of 60-second daily habits that you can do to keep your home clean and tidy, you can check out this video here next. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. As always, good luck on your decluttering journey, and remember to be good to yourselves.